My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. We were supposed to get Jordan 1 trophy rooms. Maybe around 80 to 90% of the stock got backdoored. So that means if you manage to get these for a retail price, then it's kind of like winning a lottery. It's a drop that's basically impossible to get. Today we have Jordan 14 Clots dropping. I'm gonna be honest, I really don't think I'm going to be able to get this. Oh my god, dude, TSB is eating. Where's my W? No way! I got one! Oh my god, let's go! No way. We got these New Balances that came in the mail today. These are Todd Snyder 992s. We do have a couple of important releases. We have Jordan 6 Carmines and we have Air Force 1's Love Letter. We'll see how I end up doing on the next episode. The first drop of the day is going to be on Undefeated. Throughout the entire release, I'm actually not going to go crazy hard on the Carmines just because I've already secured myself a bunch of these already. Can't say how I did it yet, but that's what's going to end up happening. As far as the Air Force 1s are concerned, I kind of want a personal pair for these, and I do think they have potential to have decent resale price. Alright, first drop is in 10 minutes. Let's see how we do. Forever to load. I got one. At 10 a.m. there's going to be a bunch of websites dropping. However, my setup is going to be a little bit light. I just want to try some things out. Like I said, I already got a bunch of these Carmines, so I'm kind of just waiting on those, to be honest. Dude, are you serious? Tohru AIO crashed 30 seconds before the drop. Bro, why did I use this bot? Come on. Okay, it's back. Whew. Scared me, gave me a little spook. How am I in the queue? What? Oh, TSP, let's go. Size 8. Yo, that's my personal. Another one. That Carmine release was very interesting. They basically didn't drop the men's pairs like all that much during the initial release on foot sites. The stock was extremely low. A lot of people predicted it to be lower than usual, but this time it was like actually pretty hard to get. And since I didn't take this drop very seriously, I only got one, and I guess that's what happens. But they have been restocking from time to time during weird times. Like I believe one of the restock times was like 1 a.m. something like that. But I've been extremely busy, so I really haven't been able to go for them, but it's not really a big deal. However, today we do have Jordan 1 PSGs dropping. These I'm expecting to get 0 of. This is very limited. Only a few retailers are going to be dropping these. However, the resale price is going to be looking pretty good. Therefore, I'm still going to be going for them. I'm going to try my best.
Yo, who's that Lukexi guy?
Wait, what? It didn't drop? Are you kidding me, dude? No. Oh, this one's good. What? Hello? Country unsupported? What does that mean, dude? Come on.
Yo, who's that Lukexi guy?
Got me feeling like I'm stressed out. Shawty know that she lie. I've been working hard, I've been working all night. So stressed out.
Sheesh, dude. Tohru's eating these mids. I'm upset I wasn't able to get any of the Jordan 4s. Holy crap, 13 checkouts. 16. Yo, Tohru's destroying. This is ridiculous. $23 successful checkouts for the banned mids. We got a bunch of hype releases coming up too, so I'm gonna stop these tasks. I don't want to get my payments banned.
Got me feeling like I'm stressed out. Shawty know that she lie. I've been working hard, I've been working all night.
Today we have a lot of dunks dropping, and honestly it's really overwhelming. I can't even imagine what manual users have to go through, because they would have to go for multiple websites, multiple shoes, and they have to be super fast about it. It's gonna be tough. That's why I would much rather prefer if it was just like basically one shoe at a time, so that you can like focus on websites. I don't know, maybe it's gonna be a good thing because we do have a lot of chances to get a lot of shoes, but will that be a case? We're gonna find out on the next episode.